Good morning on Wednesday the 13th of December. New Bitcoin update on the daily. We missed my end target over here and I consider this move now to be completed. So in this update you will see what I'm thinking for the next few days, weeks, and then I will adjust that in the chart. Let's go to the 4 hour. We are having some moves to the downside and you already see here a red box. What I see here is, well, there is a bit of a difference between the exchanges, but most exchanges, they do have over here a top, but I didn't update this Elliott wave chart. So let me go back to my Coinbase chart where others have the top here. Doesn't matter that much because we do see a same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the most logical labeling I see for this move down. And where Binance, for instance, has here at top, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a very standard default ABC correction. It is in 5 legs. So after 5 legs to the downs in a certain direction, you usually do get another 5 legs. And that would pan out like this. You have A, B, C. When I look at this bounce and not making a new low here, and if that holds, so if this holds, I do think it's more likely that we do see here in the A, so in the ABC, that this is the B leg and that it goes for this level. Take out shorters who have their stops over there. And then making another 5 to the downside, which would bring us to 37,000. And from there, I do think we should continue the upside again. But that, yeah, is a bit bigger correction than it first looked. But this pattern really gives me the idea that we have 5 legs in place. After 5, we use, well, you should make a 5, 3, 5 then. So here again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. When I check my spot versus perps trading, you can see white spot isn't that much selling here. It is now kind of stabilizing. That also gives me the idea that we could see a bit of a return of spot bids and that we do make that bounce as long as this holds. So if we start going down from here or make a new low, then this idea is invalidated. But I can imagine that we do something like that today. A bit of upside. Doesn't need to get all the way up here. It can also end here and already making the move down. Especially because FOMC is coming up later today. Could see some wild moves, but something like this, and then a FOMC giving us that kind of move or the start of that move. That is a possible scenario, but for now we also have the CME gap below here, 39, hasn't been filled and we are very close at it, so would make sense to take that out like here. And yeah, as long as we are not really moving away from this level with a strong pace, then I do think this kind of stuff, this kind of move is most likely to me. Of course, I'd like to see it going up from here, but for now, as long as we do not break this in a convincing way, that break out of structure, and this top led to this low, we are, as long as we do not break it in a very convincing way, I'm leaning bearish for that move down. If we, yeah, I should show you that. Let me go to the 1 hour. So we have here one leg up and the rejection here. This would tell you, this bearish retest would tell you that we're gonna make that move to 36, 37. If we do have 1, 2, 3, a slower correction and a 5, then I would look for this. But as said, the move to 36, 37 looks most likely to me now. And who knows, maybe tomorrow is a bit different, and then we'll adapt on that. That's it for today, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.